All right, so we got a bigger group of trucks together this time. We got 4 Raptors and 2 Jeeps. I'll go through the lineup. This purple Raptor right here, that's Liana. If you guys watched Salamandrin, he stole her video when she crashed. So this truck right now, I don't know when you guys watch this, but it's getting upgrades right now. She's not just repairing it. The gray one, that's Helio, and that's Marcus. And the white Gen 1, that's our vinyl wrap. And the white Jeep is Joe's. He's the one in our previous video in the Gen 1. He's got a Raptor as well. The other Jeep is his buddy's. They took us out here to Indian Truck Trail. Last time we just went up and then back down. This time we went all the way to Santiago Peak. This is one of the only spots where you could park. I think there's like 3 other spots. But yeah, there's not too many places to park and take pictures for a big group. It's usually just small stuff. The only bad thing about this trip is I think 1 or 2 people didn't have a permit, a toll road permit, and it dumps you out into the toll roads. So, well, over in the Orange County side. So yeah, if you don't get on it when you get home and pay it, you'll get a fine or a ticket in the mail. We rock dealer plates all day long, so fuck them. We don't care who got the ticket. Yeah, this flat spot right here, that's really the only area to play on the way up. It's got these like little cliff things right here on the side where you could, I don't know, the Jeeps were just playing, trying to go up it and then going back down. There's not much to do. You can do some donuts here. We found another spot to do donuts later. But yeah, you could have a little picnic here. You could toss a ball around. I don't know, if you bring kids or whatever. It's a pretty wide open spot. There's a little corner that you could drift on a little bit, but if you mess it up, you might go down the cliff. So I don't know. We did it last time. I wouldn't recommend anyone doing it. All right, so we wanted to keep going, so we kept making our way back up the mountain. This is only about the halfway point. So yeah, these big groups like this, you could take a long time if you keep pulling over. So whatever, we kept going. Um, the only thing that's kind of sketchy about this trip is the path is so narrow, and you got to share the road with other trucks. Some are coming down, and other bicyclists, bikers, hikers. Sometimes they have marathons here. So yeah, you're always having to do little Austin Power 3-point turns that take all day, and yeah, you're just bumping into shirtless weirdos everywhere. Whatever, but yeah, just be careful. Don't kill anybody and have fun.
Yeah, I already got that bush. Look. You guys got more trucks behind us also.
Try not to run over these 2 big rocks.
Uh-oh.
That's what I have for standing here like an idiot. Hey, have fun, guys.
Sorry. Yeah. It's my reef.
Yeah, what that guy was referring to when I said about my reef, it was that I had that sticking out still. We got a little wild. You can see it on the front left corner on that shot too. I'm telling you, yeah, these trails are tight. The video here isn't sped up at all. I guess I just drive too fast and I put the truck into a bush in one of the corners. So yeah, be careful, guys. I'm lucky I had the vinyl wrap, no scratch. There was no body damage, but yeah, I kept it there for like a week or 2. So I left this footage alone just so you guys could see how fast we were going. I'll leave some of the audio in too so you could hear it. You could tell with audio if I manipulated the speed. But yeah, we were going pretty fast, probably faster than we should have. It probably wasn't safe, but you got to share the road. So yeah, keep it cool on this part because you'll put your truck into a bush or you're going to kill somebody. In a big group, we have radio communication, so you know there's somebody in front, you know, to look out, but still, bushes are bushes and you can get too crazy. The rest, I'll speed up just because it'll get too slow. All right, so this is the top. This is what's referred to as Santiago Peak. I guess from here, that's all Orange County in the background. If you check out behind the purple Raptor and the white Jeep, there's some bars sticking out of the ground that make like T's. Those, if you bring kids up here or something, I get they're labeled to see which pointing in what direction, but you look through that tube, and what you see on the other end is what town or what landmark. I don't know if something's Disneyland or whatever. So, uh, whatever. I'm just telling you guys what stuff you can do up there. But yeah, there's some radio towers up there, so you got to be careful with drones. And it's service road, so you might see some service vehicles. So whatever, we hung out, took pictures, and then we started making our way back down. I got us lost a little bit. I took a wrong turn. That's the thing too. If you go up here, there's not really many deviations of the trail. You can just go one way, and that's about it. And if you go the wrong way, you're gonna find out right away. So we just kept pushing, kept making our way down, and we got a couple tag-alongs. We got a G-Wagon tagging along, which kind of inspired us to take my wife's G-Wagon out. And that video will be coming up in a few weeks. I broke it. So hopefully you guys enjoy that video. But right here, the G-Wagon seems to do awesome. It's somewhere behind in the back of the pack here. So that flat spot on the way down from the Santiago Canyon side, the side that dumps you into Orange County, that's kind of the only flat spot to pull over and take pictures. It's not that big, but yeah, we squeezed in some donuts. And eventually you just keep going down and it turns to paved road, but still some weird off-roading type, and you still got to pull over for other cars. And then it dumps you into this weird little mountain town. I mean, it looks like something where Jed Clampett came out of, but it's pretty cool. It doesn't seem like you're in California for a minute. So from here, the only way out, it dumps you straight into a toll road. So yeah, be on point with your toll road violations just so you don't get a ticket in the mail. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. I'll put links to everyone's Instagram account on the description, and I'll put links to the entrance and exits of this place. And you can run it backwards. You can go in through Santiago Canyon and come out the other end through Corona like we did. Well, the reverse of what we did. Depends where you live, depends how you want to get home. Or no matter from which side you start, you can go up and then back down the same side. No big deal. They seem pretty. I think the Orange County side seems a little bit longer and a little bit slower on most of it, but some of it is really fast too. So good luck.